This camera is the most massively underrated camera in the world. I saw nobody talk about this camera on the YouTube and all the platform. This camera, it's the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The crazy camera. It's like the half price of an iPhone 16 Pro Max. I will try to compare it with the iPhone, but I'm shooting now with the iPhone front-facing camera, and we're gonna see if this camera can perform better than iPhone on video and pictures. And let me see on the comment, what do you think? Let's get started. Now I'm using the mic and the camera of DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Look, the sound, it's very good because I have this mic coming with the camera. I can put it here or hold it in my hand. I can also put it in the cover of this camera. Doesn't matter what I have to put the mic. So as you can see, you can compare the quality and the dynamic range. I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna give full comparison between this camera and the phone in different situation, and we're gonna see if this camera performs better than the phone. Let's get started. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 with the mic here, and this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max, sorry. So we're gonna walk. This is a front-facing camera on the iPhone, and this is the camera. I can turn it like whatever I want. So yeah, now I turn it like selfie like this. I can walk and I can use the iPhone from here. So this is the stabilization in the iPhone front-facing camera, and this is the stabilization on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Tell me, what do you think? I'm gonna run a little bit so we can check. What do you think, guys? Put in the comment what do you think. As you can see here, the depth of field and the separation, like portrait mode, it's like you are shooting with a real camera. The blur in the back and the separation from the object, it's perfect. Look the difference. The iPhone, it looks like the same. Here, like the noise, it's too much in the dark. You know, selfie camera of the iPhone, it's not that good in the low light. Here in the DJI Osmo, it looks a little bit better, like less noise than the iPhone. Here, when we switch to the main camera of the iPhone, it's like different. There is no noise, but I think the DJI is like more sharp. There is some noise in the DJI. Here in the stabilization and the color, the contrast, I think the DJI Osmo did better. Like the stabilization also, it looks perfect than the iPhone. The iPhone like a little bit shaky, but it's overall it's good. But I prefer here the DJI Osmo look better than the iPhone in the color contrast. Here I run, and you know, look, the iPhone, it's still too much shaky, but the DJI, it's like crazy, it's stable. So now I'm using the main camera on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and the main camera on the iPhone. So we're gonna see if the quality is changed between the selfie camera and the main camera on the iPhone. So I'm gonna run a little bit to see the stabilization. This is the stabilization on the DJI, and this is the stabilization on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. What do you think? I think the color in the DJI, it's more saturated. The green doesn't look good. iPhone, it looks better, but in the background, the blur, DJI, it's better, and the sharpness and the details in the iPhone, it's great. When it comes in the selfie, here in the iPhone, it looks desaturated, flat. DJI, it looks amazing, color scheme amazing, the street, the greens, everything, the face, details. Also the background blur, it looks like it took with a real camera with very good lens. In this situation, I like the iPhone more because the sunset looks better on the iPhone. It looks sharp, it looks the contrast, it's better, the saturation, details.
DJI looks a little bit colder and it missed some HDR, so I like the iPhone. This picture for the selfie, I think the DJI did a very good job. The iPhone still looks flat, you can edit and get it back to life, but I like the DJI here for everything. If you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe my channel, put comment, put like, put everything, and don't forget to put in the comment which camera you like more, and I'll see you on the next video.